Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can send crypto from your crypto.com to your Binance application. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end. So head over to your crypto.com application. After you're logged into your account, next tap on the transfer option located in the top right corner. So as soon as you tap on transfer, right at the bottom there are two different options, that is deposit and withdraw. So over here you'll have to tap on withdraw. Once again there's a drop down menu, so then you'll have to tap on crypto, and after that you'll have to tap on external wallet, which is right at the bottom. So after you tap on it, on the other interface you have all the wallet address that is on your crypto.com, and in case if the wallet address is right over here, so all you have to do is tap on the wallet address, and in case if you don't have the wallet address, then you'll have to tap on the plus icon located in the top right corner of your screen. So from the drop down menu, tap on the wallet address. Now you have to select the cryptocurrency, so then select it accordingly. You have a list of options. After you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, now what you have to do is you have to enter the wallet address where you want to send the crypto. So for our video we need a Binance wallet address. So what you have to do is you'll have to open up your Binance application and then copy the wallet address, and after that you'll have to paste the wallet address right over here on the destination tag. And after you're done pasting the wallet address, tap on continue, which is right in center, and then on the last interface you'll be asked to confirm the wallet address or the detail of the wallet address. And if you're sure about the detail, tap on confirm, and on the other interface you'll be notified that the cryptos has been transferred or sent successfully to your Binance application. So that is how you can send crypto from your crypto.com to your Binance application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.